Okay, this tutorial is going to tell you how to install MySQL server. I'm going to start with showing you where to download it because that can be a little confusing. So we go to downloads on the mysql.com website, and then under community server you want to click download. Alright, and then we want to go ahead and scroll down. Whoops, we scrolled down too far. We're going to scroll back up, make this easy. And we're going to find Windows, and we're going to click on Windows, and we want to download Windows. We want to do the Essentials package. And then we're going to go ahead and click Save. And as soon as that's finished downloading, we're going to be ready to install. Okay, it's ready. We're going to click Run. We'll go ahead and minimize this. We'll click Run. And then we click Next. I'll go ahead and like to do custom. You don't have to. You can do typical if you'd like to. But for the sake of this tutorial, alright, now I like to change the path. I don't want it installed in program files. I'm going to go ahead and shorten it up because I like to keep my server stuff separate from my main computer stuff. Like I said, it's just a matter of preference. You don't have to do this. And then I'm going to click OK. And then I want to go ahead and select this, and I want to go ahead and change that path as well. And this will be the same path as whatever you chose for the first one. And then click OK. And this one should have matched the server. Okay. So now everything is all the same directory. Now we're ready to click Next and install. Alright, and now that that's finished, we click Next, Next, and then we want to go ahead and unclick that. If you want to go ahead and register, you're more than welcome to, but we're going to go ahead and configure. Alright, and pull this window up. Now we're going to click Next on this. I'm going to go ahead and do a detailed configuration. Once again, you don't have to do this. You can go with standard. I'm going to select Server Machine. Multifunctional database is fine. And then I want to select where my data files for my SQL server is going to be stored. They're going to be stored in data. Decision support is fine. We want to leave this on port 3306 because that's the default port. You might want to go ahead and add a firewall exception too. I'm going to go ahead and leave enable strict mode checked. Standard character set is fine. Alright, and I want to leave everything as is here. Alright, now you need to pick a very good strong password for your root user. It's very crucial that this is a good password, but yet make sure that you write it down somewhere, or it's something that you are certain you can remember, because that is the mother of all passwords. This can pose as a security risk, so I'm just going to leave it unchecked. And then I'm going to click Execute. Alright, and it says I could not start the MySQL service. That is perfect. We're going to go ahead and click Cancel now. And now we're going to go to Programs, MySQL, and then the Server Instance Config Wizard. I'm going to pull that up, and then we're going to click Next, and we're going to remove the instance. And click Next, and then click Execute. And then Finish. Alright, and now we're going to run that program one more time. And we're going to go ahead and whatever settings you chose last time, you need to repeat those exact same settings. Go ahead and choose data again. Click next and next. Go ahead and add firewall exemption. It shouldn't really matter on that one, but we'll just go ahead and repeat it. And next. And then we're going to enter the same root password that we chose before. I told you it was crucial you remember that. And then we're going to click execute. And our service should have started that time. Easy fix. I got so much feedback with people saying that they couldn't get the service to start like that, and I never had that problem until I started making this tutorial. So hopefully that is not an issue anymore. Hopefully that fixes it. I've tried it several times and it fixed it every time, so I hope that fixes your problem. If not, leave a comment and let me know what kind of problem you experienced. And make sure you follow my removal tutorial as well if you continue to have problems. But your MySql server should be running now. So now carry on to PHP Myadmin, so now we can administer that server.